And 3-2 natin ang score natin ngayon mga idol.
The bounce pass alone.
Pinoy step fires off the window bucket. Corpus goes to the coast to coast of the glass bucket. Corpus goes to the corner, to the middle. Fires off the glass, yes sir. Kamara attacking the defense, goes inside, pinabitin bucket. Kamara. Welcome to PSBL Cagayan Valley. Game between Cagayan versus Ilagan. Pass to the middle, inside pass, he fires. Bump, no good. Rebound and a put back row. Wala pang nakakashoot. And here's number 13. Zamora. Number 13, corner pass. Pass to the middle, launches on 3. Bang! And 3-2 natin ang score natin ngayon mga idol. The bounce pass, Lion Pinoy step fires off the window bucket. As ball is stolen. And here's Team Ilagan. Attacks, Foter, yes sir, easy 2. And attacks, reverse layup, yes sir. Lion cross the mid lane between the legs. Against Corpus, pass to the corner. Looking for the line, stops for 3. Bang! Daniel! Ang Corpus goes to coast to coast of the glass bucket. Corpus. And here's number 13. Swartz pull up jet the free throw area, won't go. Fight for the rebound still. Rebound for Team Cagayan. Inside pass, another one. Swartz. The second chance and the lucky bounce. And the pass. Vargas drives. Ball stolen. And the pass break. Lumipad. Yes sir. Stops. Depor. Bang! 4-4. Here comes Team Ilagan. Modales with the ball. The crossover move. Against number 13. Losses. Bounce pass. Fires. Basket and 1. Tiber. Corpus goes out. Corner pass to Hugo. Hugo. Bump. Catch. Pump. Fires and 1. Gales now against Agabin. Pass to Pasiwagan. Corner pass. Pull up J. Long 2. Bullseye. The net. And slowly dribbling the ball. Goes to the corner. To the middle. Fires off the glass. Yes sir. And pass. Ball is stolen. Agabin. All alone. Easy hoops. Agabin bounding. Pass to Modales. Modales goes to the screen against Agabin now. Picks. Pump to the middle. Fire short. Rebound. Rejected from behind. Agub now inbounding. And he dribble. High pass. Corpus. Pass to Swartz. Binabitin. Bucket. Swartz. Pass to Agub. Agub goes inside. Pull up J of the window bucket. The lucky bounce. And 2-point lead for Team Ilagan. Vargas setting the play. Goes to the middle. Lost the handle. Recover to Agabin. Agabin. Pass to Swartz. Pull up J. Bucket. Swartz. We are tied at 23. And here you go. Zamora inside. Pass to Kamara. Bucket. Lion with the ball. Against Zamora. Goes to the screen. Inside pass. Ang gandang pass. Anon! The pass. Agabin. Inside pass. And for the inbound. To Kamara. Kamara bump. Inside. Lays in. Not traveling. Goes the mid lane. Modales. Modales. He goes to the middle. Against Agabin now to Buraga. Buraga fires at 3. Short. Rebound Agabin. Agabin long pass. And here's Kamara. Attacking the defense. Goes inside. Pinabitin. Bakit? Kamara. And lost the handle. And is stolen. Modales. Against Agabin. Spins. Pinabitin. Oh! Bakit? Modales. Modales is slowly dribbling the ball. He stops. Pass inside. Ang gandang pasa to Alayo. Vargas. He stops. Corner. For 3. No good. Inside pass, Fars, Bakit, Corpus, and Vargas attacking the defense. And he's falling away. Bakit, Swartz, and that's out. Bulan, and here's and kicks out Bulan for 3. Oh, napagod yung bola. Looking for receiver. And the pass. Modales picks. Pass to inside pass. Ang gandang pasa nun. Pasok iyan. Up by 2 for team Ilagan. And stops, spins. Amaba inside pass. De Los Santos off the window. Bakit? De Los long pass. And natapigan. Nagawan. Amaba goes in. Slays. Bakit? Amaba face to face siya. And slowly dribbling the ball. Is at the top. Stop. Cooks to the wings. Bulan stops. Spins. Kicks out. Drives, Iringan pinabitin, basket and one, Iringan. Lion against Iringan. Bump. Iringan, nakalusot. Oh, offensive foul. Bulan receives the ball. Pass to Iringan. Iringan now goes inside, kicks out. Amaba. Drives, lays, bakit? Amaba. Modales for the inbound. For team Ilagan. Bump. And nakalusot. Modales stop. Pull up J3. Bang! Modales! Attacking the defense. The side step to the middle. Kicks out. Pull up J. Nugget. Rebound by Ibarra. Modales against Bulan. Bulan penetrate. Inside pass. Ang gandang dish note. What a ringan. Pass to Maba, Bulan picks. Flore of the window, Bulan. Pass to Modales. Pupunasan ng sapatos. Crossover goes inside. Nadapa. Oop. For the inbound now. Agop. Buraga stops for 3. Bang! Suwak na suwak. Modales against Vargas. Modales goes to the middle. Goes to the screen between the legs. Modales. Crossover move. Kicks out. Agop drives inside. Stall. And here's De Los Santos. Hook pass. Liz. Easy bucket. Amaba. Vargas stolen. Bounce pass sa gitna. Pinabitin. Basket and one. Amaba. Vargas heading the play. Di distansya. The crossover move goes inside. Pinabitin of the glass. Vargas. Amaba. Pass to Corpus. Dives. Drive. Fires. Pass. Amaba. Amaba. Pass inside. Pinabitin ni Corpus. Bakit Corpus? Agop. High pass. Attack bump. Tinulak. Offensive foul. High pass. And Corpus. Drives. Liz. Basket and one. Corpus. Offensive pala yun, offensive. And the pass back. Tamayo. Pass to De Los Santos. Inside pass. Speaks. Kicks out. Bounce pass. Corpus for 3. Short. Another rebound. Corpus. Spins. Floater shot. Yes sir. The net. Tamayo. Pass to Corpus. Corner. Pull up J. Na good. Rebound Corpus. Drives. Kicks out. Open look for 3. Bang! Ganit! And pasiwagan to the hoops. Na good. Put back off the glass. Bucket. And crossover. Tamayo bounce pass. Picks clash fire of the glass. So yun. Cross the mid lane. Goes to the screen. High pass sa gitna. Natapikan. Stolen. Tamayo. Bounce pass. Swartz na naman. Bakit? Tinap. Yun, inbounding. Pass inside. Pass Ibarra. Basket and one. Modales. High pass. Liz. Basket. Alayon. And there's Corpus. Drives. Nakalusot. No good. And stolen. And now, Alayon is stolen by Tamayo. Tamayo. Stop. Pass. Swartz. Rejected. Recover. Bounce pass. Picks. Corpus. Cross pass, open look for 3. Bulan, na good. Alayon. High pass. Ibarra, side step, place, na good. For the backdoor inbound, Modales looking for receiver. Kicks out. And stolen, and the pass break. And he slays up Corpus, easy to. Stolen, Modales. Buraga for 3. Bang! Buragas. To Tamayo. Pass to Corpus. Bam! Stop picks, pump. Kicks out. And Tears. Attacks, please. No good. May na-technical dun. And this Modales bump. Spins. Modales kicks out. Buraga. Buraga against Swartz. Stop for 3. Agabin. Goes to the middle. He pass. Lays off the window. Humani. And here spins. Alayon behind the back. Side step. Fires off the glass. Alayon. Stops to the middle. Inside pass of the glass, Bucket, Suar. Corpus pass to Amaba, goes in, easy way in, Amaba. And here's number 15. Goes to the middle, attacks, spins, high pass, kicks out, Alayon. Alayon penetrate, inside, Pinoy step. Ang gandang pasa naman nun kay Ibarra. Modales looking for the receiver. Bounce pass inside. Fires Bucket. The connection. Alayon. Cross the mid lane. Alayon. Goes to the screen. Modales. Goes to the middle. Modales. Deep 3. Negud. Short. Rebound Ibarra. Modales again for 3. In and out. Another one. Side step. Basket and 1. Pass to Vargas. Vargas attacking the defense. Kinaliwa, Bucket. Vargas. And Alayon goes inside. Nakalusot. No good. Rebound. Put back. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations, Team Cagayan.